to you about trends. Without a trend, it is impossible to make profits in the market.
Yes, let us talk about trends. I'm so tired of all the social media and all the talking heads announcing either the end of a trend or the beginning of a trend.
Do you know that more money has been lost in trying to be the first to identify a trend than anything else in the market? It is okay to pay attention to the first signs of a change trend, but you must wait to act upon it.
Is there a way to know if the trend has changed in real time, as it is happening?
Nope. Yes, you can see signals in real time, but is the signal 100% accurate? To confirm its accuracy, you must wait. Everything in the stock market is a 4-letter word, WAIT.
And no one wants to wait. That's why most people lose over time, right?
Yeah. It is a long, long walk in the desert. Many early signs of an oasis show up. Every sign of water you see from a distance could be real or could be just a mirage. No way to know until you get closer. With your limited energy, no matter how sure you are that it is an oasis and not a mirage, you can never expend your energy by running towards it. You maintain your pace, conserve your energy, because what if by the time you get closer it turns out to be a mirage? You will need the energy to keep on going until you find an oasis that is not a mirage.
Oh, I see what you did there. Conserving your energy while looking for an oasis in the desert in your example is used as a substitute for trading capital or money in the stock market. That was nice, what you did. Sounds quite simple when you put it that way. I can see how, in the heat of the desert, one can lose his mind and run like crazy towards the first sign of water, whether a mirage or an oasis. I suppose when it comes to money, when someone sees a stock run up, they also go crazy and put all their trading capital in it, not knowing that it could be a fake run, a mirage, and not a real uptrend, not really an oasis.
The truth is that in the most cases, a trend is firmly identified only after the fact. How then to act in real time as a new trend is forming? It starts with the same rule of all rules. First, do no harm.
Maintain your steady pace, just on the chance that the water you see is a mirage?
Exactly. Change of a trend or the beginning of a new trend has been discussed in many places, including in such books as The Perfect Fool and The Perfect Speculator. Price and volume action is critical. Without volume, it is hard to justify that any price move is the beginning of big move. It is known to happen, but not as often as it happens if there is a clear volume explosion.
What do you consider volume explosion? Like twice or 3 times its normal volume?
There is no hard and fast rule, but for the fool, it matters that there have been weeks and weeks of incredibly quiet volume prior. And then, when the volume explosion occurs, it is quite unmistakable. Price explosions of 5 times or more of average volume is usually a good indicator.
But the past few months, from the fall of 2021 to now in early 2022, the market has been in doldrums. What do you make of that?
Rely on your watch list. You must have a set of stocks on your watch list that show a certain kind of price and volume action. They will clue you in.
Were there any clues on your watch list in the fall of 2021?
Certainly. There was a whole list of stocks that confirmed one after another to close out long positions. I can go on and on, but here are a few examples.
That was impressive, that your watch list of stocks told you to get out. What happens when the market turns back up again? At some point in the future, Do you still have a watch list?
Yep. A watch list is a living, breathing thing that keeps changing over time. Stocks get added on to the list and some get dropped off the list. I mean, as we speak now in real time, now in March 2022, very few stocks are showing an inclination to go up in price, but it can change quite quickly and quietly. So you're always watching and waiting.
Can you clue me in on any such stocks that are on your watch list?
What I see is not what others see, and what others see, I may not see. So you must make your own list.
Oh, come on. You can give me a hint or two. I'm not going to act upon it. I am smart, remember?
All right. I must go now, but take a look at Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD, and look at Gogo Inc., ticker symbol GOGO. Also look at ticker symbol ITCI.